It's me again. I'm in St. Louis, Missouri, and I wanted to tour the Budweierr Brewing factory here, and they're closed because of COVID, so I can't get the Budweierr experience that they promised. I get stopped by the police wanting to know what the heck I'm doing there, and I was going to video it, but they said not to, and I'm not one of those brave people with big kahunas that'll just disobey what a police officer said. So I just took some pictures around the place and then got the heck out of there. The security there was tighter than the Capitol. You know, my daddy's name is Bud, and I asked him one time, does beer make you smart? And he said, it makes Bud wiser. I took a girl on a date one time, and she was telling me how the night before a waitress dumped a whole pitcher of beer right on her crotch and got her soaked. And I said, and how's your bush? All my friends back in my hometown, I'm almost to Mount Vernon. Heading for Nashville.
Well, I'll have long as you will let me. And I never mind and stand in the rain. You don't have to go, me darling, darling. Every evening long, Baba.
Hey, it's me again, and I'm in Nashville, and I'm going to tell you right behind me here where all them lights are going. That's where that bomb went off on Christmas morning. Unfortunately, they won't let me nowhere near it. They obviously don't know who I am. So, I tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to head down Broadway and check out Nashville. Peace out.
You know you make me wanna shout, 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 come on.
Tootsies, baby!
Well, I drink a little beer in tavern. I'm gonna sing a little bit of them working man blues.
Just walking down Broadway in Nashville. Everywhere you turn, there's music. Hey, I can't stay in Nashville because I'm meeting my daughter down in Tampa for our birthdays. We both have the same birthday. But I'm going to come back to Nashville on my way back, and I'll bring you some more video then. In the meantime, Nashville left me a little bit of a note on my windshield to the tune of... Hey, it's me again. It's my second night of camping in a truck stop. Tonight, last night was in St. Louis, and tonight I'm somewhere south of Nashville. Last night was 31 degrees. Tonight, it's 42. I don't have any electricity. I got one little light right here and one candle. So it's kind of like I got myself a campfire. You can see my breath. Peace out. OMG. Thank you.
Happy birthday to you, woo! Happy birthday to you, woo! Happy birthday from Nashville. Happy birthday to you.